Hey everyone, welcome back. So today I'm going to share with you how I'm decorating my back porch for Halloween. I know I said last video that it was going to be my last Halloween video, but I just was looking at this back porch and I was like, this is so boring. I need to decorate it, and I wanted to share it with you guys. So that's what we're doing today, and then next week we will start Christmas DIYs. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications so you never miss out on a new video. Let's get into it. The first thing I'm going to do to set the mood of this patio is I'm going to hang up some shears around my pergola. My pergola already has some curtain rods kind of around them that are stationary, so I just picked up some hooks off of Amazon that have some clips on it, and then I ordered some shears as well. I got 4 packs of shears. A pair of shears came in 1 pack, so I hung them up around the pergola. I did 2 in each corner of the pergola. So my intention wasn't to close the shears and close this pergola in with them. It was just to, like I said, set the mood, give it some spooky ambiance kind of feel. So what I'm going to do is, after I get them hung up, I just used some ribbon from Dollar Tree. This is just some burlap wired ribbon that I found in the Halloween section, and I'm just going to tie a bow around the 2 shears in each corner, and then I kind of just poofed out the shears at the top to make it look just pretty and nice. And then for the inside of the ceiling of the pergola, I had some of these witches' hats left over from hanging them inside my house. So I went ahead and took advantage of that and used 6 of them to hang them inside the pergola. I just strung them with some fishing line, and I hung them with some small little command strips. And I just tied that fishing line onto the command strips, and they are hanging perfectly inside there, and they look really cool. And then I just cut the excess fishing line. I did have an outdoor fan hanging in the middle of the pergola. However, we don't need to use it this time of year, so I took that down, and I needed a chandelier. And if you remember a few videos ago, I did a thrifted Halloween DIY where I made a candelabra out of a thrifted chandelier, and I didn't actually have anywhere to really put that this year, so I decided to just take the chandelier off and use it in my pergola this year. Next year, I can put it back and use it as a candelabra if I want to, but it works perfectly in this space for now. Now what I'm going to do is make a centerpiece for my table, and I just had this plastic cauldron lying around, so I drilled a few holes in the bottom of it for drainage, and I filled it with some dirt and planted some orange mums in it, and it looks really cute on the table. I used a black and white striped table runner from Amazon in the middle, and then I am going to go ahead and add this greenery that I got off of Amazon. This garland comes in a pack of 2. It's just some eucalyptus and some other greenery, and I just did one on one side of the cauldron and one on the other, and then I kind of twisted them at the ends to keep them together. And then I added some black and white pumpkins with some gold stems that I got off of Amazon, and just to kind of fill up that greenery and give it more depth and dimension and some more texture. And I think it looks really adorable like this and fills up the table nicely. It kind of has that Halloween vibe with the colors, but still keeps it fall. And then for this back wall and this door, it's so boring, so I decided to use these 3D bats, which also came from Amazon. Everything is linked down below in the description box because I pretty much got everything off of Amazon. And all I did was just attach the little bats to one side of the wall, and then I had them coming up over the door and then around the light on the other side of the wall, and then kind of up towards the roof, just to kind of make them look like they're swooping in from the ground and going out up towards the sky. So I love using these bats for Halloween decor. It's so easy, and these are so inexpensive, and my patio is covered so they won't get wet or anything, and they will stay nice. Now I also added some corn shocks that I got from a local farm, and I just place them up against the wall just to give that some dimension. To finish off this area, I'm going to add a mum to the shepherd's hook next to the door, and then I added a few pumpkins below that. These pumpkins are actually from our pumpkin patch we grew this year. We got about 20 to 25 pumpkins. Hopefully next year we will get more, but we've been sprinkling them throughout our decor. And then I'm also going to add these 2 5-foot posable skeletons that I got from Walmart. They are around $30, I believe, and I think that's a pretty good deal for these large skeletons. I'm just gonna set one on each side of the table at the heads of the table, and like I said, they are posable, so their arms and legs move at the joints, and you can kind of pose them however you want, and I kind of posed them like they were having a little conversation maybe about Halloween. Lastly, I'm going to add some pillows to my lounge chairs. I just got this pack of 4 pillow covers off of Amazon. I added some spooky cloth around, and that was it. Let's take a look at how boring this patio looked before. I absolutely love how my pergola turned out. It's perfect for Halloween. It's got that Pottery Barn look, but on a budget. The lights that are around my pergola are linked down below in my description box. They are Govee lights, and you can set the color mode to whatever you like and change that up for the season or the holiday. But I am ready to host a party, and my home is decorated for Halloween now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching today, and I will see you guys in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.